Hi guys, I'm a mess here. My hands look full of charcoal because I am cooking here. I cook chicken, so everybody's here. The dog's so noisy. I just started cooking meat, so I choose to cook here because so nice. Even if a lot of smoke coming, but still have a fresh air here. And it's not hot too. While inside the kitchen, it's a little bit hot, even inside on the roof. But here, nice. I can walk here. So I'll be back later, guys. I need to get the scope so I can flip over. Pag si quiet, pag si uy. That's the chicken, guys. Still freeze. What do you call this one? Hard, because that was I freeze that one. So now she's slowly cooking, and I will just wait till it soft. I'm going to fry that small pieces. I think today we're gonna have a rain because I can hear the thunderstorm. There you go. You heard that one, guys? Wow. Very close here. But it's not really quite oh wow. That must be a heavy rain. So I'll be back, guys.